This is the third edition of Valderrama UTMB.
Yeah, I'm a volunteer here at the UTMB Val. It's my second year participating.
Well, this year we are the first event with more trail runners in Spain. We have more than 5,000 runners.
As a volunteer, we are responsible for the mountain part. The marking is very extensive. As the rule, it's from one flag you need to see the other one. Right now we are on our way to actually start marking one part of it. Basically, the function is we are the eyes of the central information, making sure that we can report to the central station that that mountain is it's empty, so we can start demarking the route and keeping at the end the mountain in the conditions that it should be. No markings, no trash, no injured people behind.
Dacia is our official automobile partner, so it helps us very much with the logistics of the event, and it brings us a lot of quality as well, and we share the same human values.
UTMB is definitely very popular, very attractive brand. Also the fact that this is the European Series now, so the top 10, they obtain a direct pass to the final to Mont Blanc, which definitely helped to boost the number of participants, but also boost the interest and the motivation to participate in this race.